She thought surgery was her only option for those swollen purple veins, until she discovered this simple homemade spray. It erased the heaviness and pain in just 7 days. We need 6 specific heroes for this recipe. Cloves to numb the pain, a fresh lemon to strengthen the veins, cooling mint, rosemary to wake up the blood flow, pure olive oil to carry the medicine deep into the skin, and the secret lavender oil. First, the lemon. Most people make a deadly mistake here. They keep the wax and pesticides, not us. We scrub it clean with baking soda to reach the pure healing skin. Dry it completely. Remember, water is the enemy of this oil. Now, peel the yellow skin. Do not throw this away. This zest contains hesperidin, the exact compound doctors use to repair weak veins. Stay with me. The ingredients are only half the cure. The real secret is in the application. I will reveal the exact technique that makes this remedy work almost guaranteed. Chop it finely. We want to tear open those oil sacs to release the medicine. While I finish chopping, I'd love to get to know you better. Tell me in the comments, how old are you and where are you watching from? Drop it into the jar. Next, the cloves. Think of these as nature's anesthetic. They will numb the deep pain in your legs. Add them in. Now, the booster, 2 teaspoons of rosemary. While cloves stop the pain, rosemary forces the stagnant blood to start moving again. Drown them in olive oil. Seal the jar tight. We are now ready to activate this mixture with heat. Place the jar in a water bath. Never use direct fire. High heat kills the healing enzymes. We want a slow infusion. Let the steam work for 40 minutes. Wait until the oil turns a dark, rich amber color. That is the sign it's ready. Remove the jar and let it cool down to room temperature. Only now add the fresh mint leaves. Why wait? Because high heat destroys menthol. We need this cooling agent to stay fresh, to soothe the burning sensation in your veins. Now, strain the oil through a fine mesh. But listen, the job isn't done yet. Most people throw away the leftovers immediately. That is a mistake. Take a spoon and press down hard on the herbs. Why? Because the most potent concentrated medicine is trapped inside the sponge-like peel of the lemon and the mint leaves. See those thick, dark drops coming out now? That is the liquid gold. That extra squeeze contains the highest concentration of active ingredients. She made sure to extract every single drop because this is the fuel that will repair her veins. Now, add just 2 to 3 drops of lavender oil. This creates a calming effect for better sleep. But be careful, quality matters. If you don't have a pure oil at home, I have placed a link to a trusted source in the description below. Transfer this golden mix to a spray bottle. She used this once every night before bed. And here is the secret. Do not massage in circles. Always stroke upwards, from the ankle towards the heart. By day 7, the swelling dropped and the heavy throbbing vanished. She canceled her surgery appointment. Now, it is your turn to feel the relief. Please, share this video with a loved one who is in pain. and tell me in the comments below if you will try it. Stay healthy.